One continent, one passion, one championship, miniEURA. The European Mini Football Championship, where the top 24 national teams in Europe meet. State-of-the-art organizational standards, thousands of spectators, cities filled with colors and voices, media coverage all over Europe, emotion, passion, effort, the ultimate identification. Once every year, the very heart of mini football beats where the best amateur athletes in the world meet at the most professionally organized mini football fiesta. Mesmerizing players, roaring fans, breathtaking matches, unprecedented show, heartbreaking emotion, endless duration, priceless value. The essence of mini football comes true in the miniEURA and emphasizes its values: participation, entertainment, well-being, sportsmanship, action. (2010 in Slovakia, 2011 in Romania, 2012 in Moldova, and 2013 in Greece. 24 countries found themselves exactly where the heart of the most popular sport in the world beats. The top European players met on the miniEURA pitch, offering the ultimate experience. For themselves, for thousands of sports fans who witnessed the events, for millions of spectators all over the globe. More than 75 sponsors from the local market and from the European proved that the connection of their brand to the miniEURA and the emotional involvement of the millions of spectators was an infinitely advantageous investment. And above all, they proved that their companies are pioneering and in tune with their time while supporting the top of the top, the miniEURA. A state-of-the-art sport facility that was built in 10 days and changed the image of the city at the edge of the world, where one thinks that the waves will drag the whole stadium into the sea. An architectural marvel worthy of the most popular sports in the world, the mini football. 4 unbelievable days filled with sun and emotions at probably the most beautiful corner in the world. Rethymno lived the greatest celebration in the heart of October, missed the autumn, and brought the summer back. An endless party which united the old continent at the southernmost point, its birthplace in Crete. Flags and songs from morning till night, in the roads and in the stadium, in homes and in shops, enthusiastic fans, journalists and celebrities, but mostly ordinary people stopped time and lived their dream. They saw themselves tying their shoelaces and becoming stars. This is mini football. After all, you play.